he get his residency through the marriage. Because of this, he can lose the residency?
Yes.
Oh.
So generally, and again, it varies from country to country.
Okay.
Basically, when you get a residency, you get it based on a certain circumstance. So it could be a job, it could be a business, it could be a marriage, it could be a legal companion, where a registered relationship, or the HO, Union Libre, as they call it in Colombia. If that situation ends, that led to you getting that visa in the first place, you have a certain amount of time to either change the status of your permission or to leave the country. So like in the case of Colombia, I believe it's 30 days, could be 60 days, but it's not like a huge window. And once that time has passed, or during that time, you have an obligation to either get your stuff and leave the country,
Okay.
or it doesn't mean you can't come back to the country. It just means you have to go through that process of getting your stuff and actually leaving the country, or you file a change of status during that time. So like, of course, we've had this situation before. Somebody's in a registered relationship, marriage, it ends, and they have this 30 days. So during that time, we can switch and apply for a digital nomad visa, business visa, some other legal permission for them to stay in the country.
And well, in Brazil it's easier because let's say that they had a kid in Brazil, or they just stay for 5-10 years, something like that. It's easier because they just got the citizenship by.
Well, if a kid's usually a different circumstance, because usually having a child of that nationality allows you some form of residency, like the father or mother of a Colombian citizen,
Okay.
or a Brazilian citizen. Because if you have the baby in one of those Latin American countries, the baby's going to be a citizen.
Costa Rica,
same thing. Okay. So what you would be able to do, let's say you'd gotten a marriage visa and then you had a kid during the course of the marriage. Marriage ends, your marriage visa ends, but you could reapply from within the country, not as a marriage, but as the parent of the citizen from that country.